Are you having fun? I know, I told you couldn't put it in her mouth. Come over here and play with Mommy. I know, come over here and let's play. No, not in mouth. Come over here. Let's play. Come on. Let's play in your ballroom. What did Mommy say? You want to go downstairs and play in your playroom? Not in mouth. Sweetie, you can't put that in your mouth. It's dirty. Yeah, that's Keno's. And it's dirty. Yeah. Okay, Mommy's gonna come get you now. Not in mouth. Sweetie, don't cry. You're gonna cry again when I say it. Yeah, you put it over there. Come with Mommy and let's play.